Civil and political rights. The right to speak freely, to vote, and to live without fear of discrimination. These are not privileges, but fundamental human rights. Known as civil and political rights, they empower individuals to shape their societies and seek justice. Throughout history, people have risen to demand these basic rights, often facing great danger in the process. These are the rights that allow individuals to hold their leaders accountable and protect themselves from oppression. Civil and political rights are the bedrock of democracy. When people are free to express their opinions and vote, they have a voice in the decisions that affect their lives. These rights ensure that governance is by the people and for the people. The right to vote is one of the most powerful tools of democracy. Yet, in many places around the world, people are still denied this fundamental right, or face barriers to exercising it freely. Voting is a way to be heard, a way to influence change. But when people are disenfranchised or elections are manipulated, it silences entire communities and threatens the foundation of democracy. Freedom of speech and peaceful assembly allow citizens to voice dissent, challenge injustice, and demand accountability. These rights are essential for fostering a society where people can live without fear. Freedom of speech is the cornerstone of other rights. It's what allows individuals to stand up against oppression, to speak out for what is right, and to communicate openly about the issues that matter to them. Freedom from discrimination ensures that everyone, regardless of race, gender, religion, or background, is treated with dignity and respect. This right is essential for building inclusive societies. When people are discriminated against, it not only impacts their lives but the health of society as a whole. Discrimination is a barrier to justice, to opportunity, and to true equality. The right to be free from arbitrary detention, the right to a fair trial, these are protections that ensure justice. They prevent abuses of power and protect individuals from being wrongfully imprisoned or punished. Being detained without cause or a fair trial is a violation of dignity. It strips away the basic human rights that everyone deserves. Legal protections are vital to prevent such injustices. Civil and political rights are not just concepts on paper, they are the framework that supports freedom, democracy, and justice. When these rights are protected, societies can thrive, and individuals can live with dignity and hope.